Hello. Hello guys, good morning. So, here we go again, go to school. Today is Wednesday. It's very, the weather is very sad. Like, host, very sad. Yeah. Marco, come here. Fix your, the button. This is my son. Oh, you're ready?
Yeah.
So you are inside the elevator.
Okay,
So-
you go first. You will what?
Say hi first, say hi. Show your hair. Naglagay daw siya, guys. Picture first. Come here, picture.
And then,
Okay.
and then see my
Okay, run. Gusto niya mauna muna siya, guys, doon sa waiting ng elevator. Upo yan siya doon. Doon na siya, oh. Nagtatakbo-takbo. Yung weather na hindi mo alam kung babagsak na ba ang ulan kasi masyadong madilim. Pero may payong naman ako. Isa nga lang. Siyempre, nagban ako ng sombrero. Hello guys! Good morning sa lahat. Happy blessed Wednesday to all. And shouty sa mga nanonood dyan. Wala tayong handle kaya ganar lang ang ating video. Oh. Diba? My face is so big. Okay lang yan. Ang importante buhi. Diba? So guys, nakalabas na kami ng elevator at nandito na. Naglalakad na. Papuntang sakayan ng bus. Ayun. Diba? Parang ang cute ko pag bagong gising. Pag yung nakatulog ng maayos, diba? Yung natulog ka na wala ka ibang iniisip, hindi ka stress, yung natulog ka na thank you Lord, gisingin mo ako bukas, yung ganun. Pero not enough pa rin. Ginising ako na alaga ko, sabi niya, Oliva, sabi niya sa akin, wake up na? Ha? What time? 6:14 pala gatay. Ginising niya ako. Mamaya na masombrero kasi wala pa namang ano. Ayan. Pilahan ng bus doon. Nandito kami sa may bandang gitna. Marco, where is the one? With hair. It's dry already. Did you wipe your face? Come here. Did you wipe your face? You see? Bus. lang natin yung mga vlog natin na, ito yung alaga ko. Open. Kasi mag-tap up siya doon guys. No. Here. I-tap up niya ulit guys doon sa bus para balik pamasahe. Wait first, if there is a stop light. Wait first. Okay. Okay, put it back. How much? How much the money? Huh? The one? What? So I need to go to FDR. No. I put money. Put here.
One, oh, seven.
Still have your card? Still have money?
Seven.
Okay. May $7 pa daw. Pero hanggang bukas na lang yun. Nasunod na araw wala na. See? Guys, ganda dyan. I put it here.
No, these are take.
Huh?
No, take.
You want to hold? But no press, ah. No press. Don't close the camera. Shadow mo sa video. You close the camera. Give me. Yeah. The one is very dirty, your hand. Your nail. See my nail? Why? Have dirty inside that you didn't remove? So guys, nakababa na kami ng bus. Walking na kami papuntang school. Pero tatawid pa kami ng crossroads pa kami. Ay, Marco, today is 11 o'clock. Have exam? Ha? Have exam?
Today or 11 o'clock.
Yeah, but I'm asking you, you have exam? Okay, let's
Yes.
go!
No, I
So now, may exam na sila, kaya 11 na yung sunduan. Basta. Ang cute niya. Parang may bagyo laang. Saguli. Yan, dito na kami sa school. Bye! See you! Datong 793. Bye, Marco! Dito na siya. So, guys, nag-MTR na lang ako. Lagyan ko yung card ni Madam. Walking again. Kasi walang laman yung card ni Madam eh. Lagyan ko dun sa 7-Eleven. Kaya mag-MTR. Charot sa lahat, guys. Ganito lang buhay ko araw-araw. Kaya I think tumataba ba o pumapayat? Bye bye, guys. God bless. Love you all.